Hello guys, welcome to Byte Official. In this video, I am going to show you how I installed a laptop arm, for my work laptop, So I have used a gas spring mount by Sunon and the laptop stand by Lumi. I bought both of them from Amazon. So in this video, I am going to show you some small video clips and images of me installing the laptop arm, Since I do not have the required expertise and this is my first time showing a how to do tutorial on something which is not software, so please bear with this video and do let me know if this video helped you in any way and should I continue making such videos or not. Okay, so let's begin. So here you can see that I am unboxing all the parts of the laptop stand. This is Sunon's gas spring monitor arm. So here you can see me like taking out all the parts and fast forwarding this. So here you can see the Sunon's gas spring monitor arm. I am unboxing this currently and I'll keep telling you about all the parts as I unbox it one by one. So it comes with all the Allen keys and a screwdriver and all the screws that are required, so you won't need any additional tools for installing this. Then here is the VESA mount plate. We will mount our Lumi laptop stand on this. That's a laptop tray, by the way. Then here we have the C clamp that I'll use to mount the arm to my monitor, and this is the base of the C clamp. This you can see in my hands. This is for grommet hole, but since my desk does not have a grommet hole, so I'll not be using that. And here is another part of the C clamp. So this is the base arm which can only rotate. So nothing much over here. And yes, this is the main thing. This is the miracle of this gadget. This is our gas spring arm system. This can rotate and move up and down in all directions. And over here we have this small thing for cable management. I'll show that later in an image. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to assemble our C clamp. You will be given an Allen key and two screws for the same. You have to assemble the C clamp at the base, that is the base of the monitor arm. And I'll show you. Here you can see the screws that are attached. Once your C clamp is ready, you have to simply mount it on the desk. You can use the Allen key as a lever to rotate it. It would be easier in that way. So here you can see the C clamp has been mounted, and this is the base arm which goes on top of the base. This base arm can rotate 360 degrees, and there is a small screw which we have to tighten with Allen key. That screw would determine the freedom of the rotation. So if the screw is too tight, then a lot of force would be required to move the base arm. So please adjust it depending upon the size and the weight of the monitor or laptop that you would be using, and we can adjust that later also. So once that is done, we have to adjust the gas arm spring on top of the base arm. So here is the gas arm spring, and similar to the base arm arrangement, this also has an Allen screw and you have to tighten it with an Allen key, and the stiffness of the arm would depend on the turns that you make with the Allen key. So For lighter monitors, do not tighten it very much. So this is done. And here we have the visa plate that we can attach to using the quick latching. Okay, there's a quick latching mechanism at the back. I'll show you. Here you can see me removing the visa plate from the monitor arm using the smart clip. Okay, so here you have to just turn that clip and then pull up the visa mount. Okay, and here you can see it has been removed. So this is the Lumi laptop tray, and here you can see the holes. There are actually 8 holes, and you can put it in any 4 of them as per your height adjustments and requirements. Okay, and once the visa plate is mounted to the monitor tray, you can simply slide it back down as shown over here. Then you can just turn the knob and then the plate would be fixed to the monitor arm. Here you can see how to remove the cable management tray. So here you have to just lift it up and then you have to pull it down. And here you can see I have laid down my charging cable of laptop over here to conceal it inside this. And when you have to place it back, you have to just slide it inside and then press down once it's fixed. And here at the base you will get a clip which you can just put it over there by squeezing its 4 ends. Okay, so you have to squeeze with both your arms. I cannot show it over here because I am holding the camera in another arm. So you have to squeeze all the 4 ends together and then pull it to remove it, or you can push it to attach it over there. Do like this video and consider sharing it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel for more useful content.